We get a lot of questions about battery compatibility here at Segway Parts USA. In this short video, we're going to go over the different types of batteries, the different types of machines, and which one is compatible with which. It's pretty basic. You have two different types of batteries. You have the lithium-ion batteries and you have the nickel metal hydride batteries. Almost every machine today that's out there is compatible with the lithium-ion batteries. If you have a Generation 2 machine, also known as a lean steer, any lithium-ion battery that Segway makes at this point will be compatible with that. The lean steers are defined by they're normally all black. If they're not black, they're white or sage. And obviously the steering is executed through actually leaning the column left and right. So if you have one of those, you know that you can use the lithium-ion batteries. You can probably quit watching this video now. If you have a Generation 1 unit, that's where it gets a little tricky. The Gen 1 machines are defined by having a fixed steering column in which the steering is executed through turning a motorcycle-style throttle. If your keys look like the keys on the picture you see on the screen, that means that you have a Generation 1 unit. Okay, so more about the Gen 1 units. The Gen 1 units can take the lithium batteries, and sometimes they'll take the older nickel metal hydride batteries. The different batteries, they're pretty easy to tell apart. And here's a picture of one of the lithium-ion batteries. Obviously, it's black. It measures 3.25 inches thick. And the black color is the largest indicator that these are lithium batteries. Notice the pattern on the plastic case. That's going to be different than the nickel-style batteries. So now that we know what these look like, let's look at the nickel-style batteries. These are thinner. They're gray. That's the biggest indicator. Really, you can just look at the color and figure out what you have on there. And they have a different pattern on the plastic case. These, you can't even get them anymore unless you get them rebuilt by a place like MTO Battery. So if you have these on your machine, what you typically will have to do is send your machine into Segway to get the free software upgrade, and then you can put a set of lithium batteries on it. Unfortunately, you're going to have to pay for shipping on that. It's going to cost you about $300 round trip, and then plus the cost of $1,700–1,800 for a set of batteries. You're looking at about $2,000 to get your machine up and running. At that point, you probably should just ask yourself if it's worth it or not. So there you have it. Also, if you have a machine and you're not really sure what kind of batteries it takes, a Gen 1 unit, then you can always call a dealer and give them the serial number off that machine, and they should be able to contact Segway and see what version of software that machine has on it. So that's always the safest thing to do. You can always contact us here at buyasegway.com if you want to have that done as well. To find that serial number, you need to look on the center rear edge of your platform. There'll be this little tag you see on your screen right here. If the tag is unreadable, you'll need to remove the front battery and find it engraved on the metal chassis itself. To remove the battery, just turn the machine on its side and remove the 4 screws holding it in place. You'll need a 3mm hex wrench to do this. The serial number will be 12 digits long, and the first 2 digits will designate a year. So it'll be like 06, 07, something like that. So those are the two different types of machines that are out there. It's real simple if you have a Gen 2 or above. All those are compatible with the lithium ions. On the Gen 1s, still pretty simple, but you just need to kind of know what you're looking for. If you still have any questions, feel free to visit us at buyasegway.com, look at some of our blog articles, or just give us a call. Our number's on the website as well. You can pick batteries and a lot of other accessories up over there. Our batteries run $867 with free shipping, so it's probably one of the best deals on the internet right now. Come check us out, and thanks for watching the video.